Jai Hind, I'm Vedana Singh and you're most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to complete the answer of the exercise Artificial Intelligence, the futuristic technology, that is AI. And this video is for class 8 computer, subject computer. Now then first we'll complete the MCQ type question, fill in the blanks and then true false. After that long answer in detail. Now the first question of the exercise is answer the following by choosing the correct option. We have to choose the correct option among the given option. The first is artificial intelligence is an effort to make dash intelligent, that is the human and machine. Both is a correct answer. So C is a correct option for the question. Now the next is dash is an AI based smart assistant developed by Apple, that is the Siri is that one. C is a correct option for the next is the first intelligent humanoid developed by Japan in 1972 was, that is the Wayward 1. This is the correct option. Now the next is which humanoid is developed by ISRO to work on Gaganyaan spacecraft. That is the correct answer is Vyomitra. So the is a correct answer for the question. Now the next is which type of AI is also known as strong AI or deep AI. The correct answer is AGI. So the B is a correct option. Now the next is which of these robots is considered as a world most advanced human shaped robots? Among the options, that is the Ameca is a correct answer. So this is developed by UK, United Kingdom. Now the next type of question is fill in the blanks. So the first is the idea of thinking machine was proposed by Alan Turing in 1950. So here you have to fill up the Alan Turing. The next is name the first chatbot created in 1966 was named Eliza. So you have to fill up with Eliza. Now the next is Deep Blue was the first intelligence system developed by IBM that beats the Gary Kasparov in the World Chess Championship. So the deep here you have to fill up the Deep Blue. Now the next is the ANI is a most common type of AI that is available in today. Now the next is AI based system are capable of learning from the experience while robots can perform only the repeated tasks. Now the next is Sniper is an unmanned underwater transformer that can undertake the submerged tasks. The next is whether the statement is true or false. The first is an AI based machine is capable of thinking like human beings. No, this is false. Now the next is the Alexa is an AI based smart assistant that can understand natural language. Yes, this is true. Now the next is the Turing test was proposed by John McCarthy in 1966. No, this is false. Now the next is robot can perform specific tasks repeatedly without the intervention of man. Yes, this is true. It can perform all repeated tasks. Now the next is Spot is an intelligent robot that can jog, jump, run, some somersault and can even backflip. Yes, this is true. Now the next is Equanaut can travel in a space for up to 200 kilometers. No, this is false. The next question is answer the following question. The first question is what do you understand by artificial intelligence? Give suitable example of AI we are experiencing in our day-to-day life. The answer is artificial intelligence AI means making computer or machine that thinks and act like a human being. So this is the definition of artificial intelligence, and the examples are voice assistant like Alexa or Siri. Next is face recognition is in phone. Next is chatbot in website, and the next is Google Map suggestion. These are the examples that generally we use day-to-day life. Now the next is question is who proposed the Turing test and what was the idea behind performing this test? The answer is the Turing test was performed by Alan Turing in 1950, and the idea was to check if a machine can answer like human, so user can tell the difference between human and machine. So the next question is briefly describe the three type of AI. The first AI is answer the ANI, that is artificial narrow intelligence. It works for one task like Alexa or a calculator. Next is AGI, artificial general intelligence, that it can think and understand like human, that is not yet to be developed, it is not yet developed. The next is ASI, that is artificial super intelligence, that is smarter than a human, imaginary for now. The next, these are the basic different types of AI. Now the next question is, what is the difference between AI and robotics? The answer is, AI is a brand and it gives the thinking ability to the machine, whereas robot is a body, it builds physical machine, and robot use AI to act smartly. Generally AI is a brand and robot is a physical, means it can develop and it would work as a physically it can work, but it is AI is just like a brand. So the next question is, briefly describe the benefits of some AI based robot. The answer is, it helps in space and underwater mission. Next is, it works in the dangerous areas like disaster zone. And the next is, do household tasks like cleaning, example robot vacuums. And the next is, it assists in hospital and customer service. With this, if you need any detail of any topics, you can give me in the comment. I would try to make it as soon as possible. With this, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.